Welcome everyone who is interested into Flutter. My name is Makita. I am Ukrainian developer, and today I'm going to talk with you about implementation of share handler package. So let's talk about that. What is this package used for? The main purpose of using it is to have ability share content or any attachment through your Android or iOS native systems. I guess many of you already used this functionality, and I guess if you are here, you are trying to implement it. So let's take a look at the share handler. Share handler is a package. What else? Oh yeah, main point that platform are Android, iOS. You can share through macOS, Linux, desktop, Windows, and web for now. Why share handler? There is a few other packages, but through my investigation about share packages in Flutter, I figure out that share handler is the best one. It's kinda maintained in better way than other. Even if 11 months ago, what else? I guess it's just the best one from those which are now available on pub.dev. So installation. About iOS part, it's a little bit complicated because there is a lot of parts of code that need to be implemented through native iOS code with Xcode. What else? Yeah, we will go through all of these steps. About Android, it's less complicated. Most of Android implementation is hidden inside the package code. So, yep. And we will create a small app which will receive content and shared media or something, and we'll send it to the next screen. Okay, let's start. Let's take a look on the structure of example app that I was prepared for this video. About pubspec.yaml, the main packages that we will use is share handler as it is, and pass package to have some methods from it about extensions of the files. What we will have? First screen, the screen where we will call our handler service. Second screen where we will show the results of sharing. So we will show content, we will show attachment, or if there is no media, we will show just lorem text. And we will go through all of the installation for share handler, and we will deeply look into share service that I am created to handle all of the content. Let's start. First step, iOS. Add the following to the info list. It registers your app to open via a deep link that will be launched from the share extension. Also, for sharing photos, you will need access to the photo library. Yep, very very important point about share handler. It uses deep links. So if your app is using deep link, you need to find the way, find the way to separate deep link navigation in your app, if you're using it, and sharing content. If you are using some kind of Firebase deep linking, um, you can just check the start of the link with Firebase linking. It will be something like go dot. Yeah. Okay. If you are interested in separation of deep linking for share, let me know and I will create a video about that too. So first step, we need to add these codes to our info.plist file. Yep. So first is only record send messages. I think we don't need that for now. Want to use a custom group ID rather than the default. Set it in build settings, user defined. Yeah, now let's start from this one part. We need to insert it into our main info.plist file. So let's go to runner info.plist and firstly let me check, do I already have this line here? Nope, I don't have. Let's insert it. Let's insert it. Yes, and what else? Next part will be about photo library usages. We need to describe for our iOS build that we will use photo library, and small text. Why do we need let me check. Isn't I have it already? Nope, I don't. Photos can be shared to and used in this app. Yep, it's used for us. Airdrop support. Yeah, why not? Why not? Yes. What else about the first one? I guess we can implement it just in case to show you if there will be any issues with that, how we can solve it. Yes. Next, second step, create share extension. In Xcode, go to the menu and select File, New Target. Yeah, let's create for our app extension. Yes. If you are not familiar with iOS extension, I'm not the person who will explain it in right way to you, because I haven't a lot of experience with iOS, but as always, you can find it on Apple developer sites, you can find it in Google, so go on. Yes, in Xcode, go to menu, select File, New Target, and choose Share Extension. Let's Let's do that. File, new target. File, new target, and we will need share extension. Yes. Yeah, give it the name share extension and save. Yes, I think this one. Okay, finish. The shell has been created for the null target. Choose activate to use this gem for building and debugging streams can be chosen in toolbar. Yes, activate. Yeah. Step number 3. Make the following edits to info list. Yes, I guess we can just copy all of that and run ed runner share extension, and here we got our list. Guess it will be more comfortable to do from here. Yes, command save. And what do we have here? Let's reopen our Xcode. Yes, Flutter build number. Yes. Yes. Next step number 4. Add a group identifier to both the runner and the share extension target. Let's do it. In Xcode, select runner, target runner, sign-in capabilities. Runner, target runner. Let's select runner, target runner, sign-in capabilities. Click add groups, add new group. So what does it say? Target runner, creative groups. Yes. So we need to create an app group. Inside it we need create new group, and we will use that name. Okay. Something wrong with my profile. Team profile. Okay, let's leave it for now like this. Here we have the same profile, and we will add the same group. Yes, so yeah, both of our targets use the same group. Let's continue with the next step. If you may take yes, repeat those 2 steps and in the same group ID. Yes. 5-step optional. If you meant a custom group identifier that isn't your bundle identifier, make sure add a custom build settings variable that is referenced in your share for placed file. Yeah, let's try, cause I guess this is our case. go to target, share extension, and build settings. Target, share extension, and build set. After adding our app groups, both for share extension and target, we need to define our custom group identifier, the 5-step, which is optional. If you make a custom group identifier, you need to go to the steps. Go to target, share extension, build settings. Target, share extension, build settings, user defined setting, and give it the key custom group ID, and the value of the app group identifier that you gave to Bob. And it was something like it was group.com example dot share example. Yes. Okay. What is the next step? Repeat steps for runner's target. Repeat for runner's target. Okay. User defined custom group ID. Okay, and copy this one. What is wrong with that thing? Nope. Nope. Where's my signing capabilities? I'll copy that one and build settings, custom real type group dot. Here we go. Here the same group dot, and here the same group dot example. Yes. For extension, let me double check custom group, and yes, they are the same. Okay, next step is adding the following code inside pod file within the target runner do block, and then run pod install inside your project. Yes. Share handler. As we see, we define target do. Yep. We need place it inside our no, not here. Pod file. Yes, inside pod file. Here we have target runner, and the last one should be his target share extension. Yes. Pod install. We need to call pod install. Yeah. cd is directory and pod install. Okay, let's continue. In Xcode, place the content of share extension share view controller.swift. In our share extension share view controller.swift, and here we need to just put that one here. Yes. Next one, Android. Edit your Android manifest located in manifest, and that comment the intent filters and method that you want to support. Yes. Okay. Now let's save it and go to our Android folder. App, source, main, manifest. Here we have already one intent filter, and this filter, and let's copy that one, all of them like that, and place it inside activity. Yeah, inside our activity. So this intent filter is for sharing text, images, videos, multiple images for Android. For iOS it doesn't support it. Multiple videos, any type of files. This method data text if you want support sharing to specific. Yes, about shortcuts for Android system. I don't think I will show you something like that in this video, but maybe if you are interested we will investigate it in next one. Okay, let's take a look. Application user permission. I think we don't have it, this user permission, and we need it to read data from external storage. Put application. Yes, all other steps, all other strings we have. Second optional step, if you want to prevent incoming shares from opening new activity each time, add the attribute Android launch mode single task to your main activity intent inside your. Yeah, we need that. And launch mode single task. Yep. Third optional, add required file to support share suggestions shortcuts into your app. So we will create this main res XML shared. Probably I will copy this one at first. Res XML, main res XML, and source main res XML, source main res. We have the XML, eat the XML directory, XML, and new file .xml. Yes, now we will insert this shortcut. Package main activity, your package identifier, main activity. Yumps. Under manifest, we have our package name, and here we can insert it like this and like this. Okay, we'll save this. Android iOS we have installed. Next step, here we got example. Okay, of the long installation, especially if you are not familiar with iOS or Android, you can miss something. So if you have any issues during the launching the app or building, just try to recheck all those steps, find anything that doesn't similar in your project, and in most cases these are the main reason of the issue. So let's discuss. First screen, just usual main method, we call material app, we call our first screen. On the first screen we have just usual mock text, and the main in our first screen is inside our init state method share handler service. So what does this service doing? It takes our context and mounted parameter to check if our first screen isn't disposed. And here we have two our main methods to check shared data. So initial check for shared data from instance of share handler platform, and the stream that is listening to sharing data during when the app is running in background or foreground. Yes, all of these methods you can find also as example here with some comments. In my implementation it's a little bit simpler. So when the app launch by shared action, we call get initial share media. When the app is running in background or kind of, we are listening to the stream of shared media. Stream that can be listening to share media when the app is already running. After we detected our share, we call process media. Firstly, we check isn't our first widget, our first screen is mounted, and is media even exist. If not, we just return. In other case, we return our show dialog. Guess we can add what we can add to this dialog. Some kind of container, I guess. Oh, probably can't see it here better. Yes. We pass our screen context and call our builder. In this dialog, we will show our content, meaning text, links, phone numbers, emails, or something that you will want to share through the app. And we will show medias that are sharing. We will show it in a simple way. What does it mean? We will not show the images, or is it the image or is it the file. We just show placeholder that takes extension of the attachment path. So it's mean .png or .pdf or something like that, to just unify. If you want to separate your file extensions, show images or show files, you can do it, but this is the simple example. If you need more info about how to separate them, how show each extension in each zone or row or something, let me know. I will show you in next video. Yes, so I guess that's all. What does this method do? It takes attachments. If attachments are not null, we just by the map method create the widget for each attachment and checks its extension from the pass and to lowercase, because iOS usually show it like caps PNG or caps PDF, like that. Yeah, if attachment are null, we just show empty list. Okay, let's try to run our app. Firstly, we will try to run it on iOS device, and then we will try to run it on our Android. Yes. Let's take a look on the launching process. It can take a while, but we will wait. In case if we can catch any issues or something, I will show how to fix them. And nope, no issues. Okay, first screen, some type here like we are expecting. We shouldn't see anything here. Okay, let's share some photo. We can share native, we can share default photos from iOS simulator or any downloaded from the web. And as you can see, we have here share example, our app, and that's all. That's simple. Turn it. We show our share dialog. You can customize it. You can use model. You can bottom model. You can use anything you want. You can just show the file on the first screen itself, but we add here in share service, we added elevated button, which will push our to the second screen and pass our content and media attachment. Let's try it. And yes, we got our second screen with our .gpg. Sorry for my English. That's all. Let's maybe try to find some PDF file in our, yes, we have blank PDF. We want to share it. We want to share it with share extension and .pdf. Yes, that's simple. Maybe we wanna share some location. Continue, yes, not now. We want, don't know, we want to share some ROM. Location and share. ROM capital, yep, through share extension. And here we got it. Our shared locations, and here we go. You can add kind of selectable or text that will identify links, like package linkify or something, and just launch it from here. You can use this share extension in your chat apps. Yep. Okay, with iOS it's understandable. One point, if we select multiple items, I can select, I can select, okay, share like this, and try to share them through our app on iOS, it's impossible. Really, I don't know the reason why. By for now, just one file by time. Okay, what else? Let's look into Android device. Let's run our app on Android device. Running much faster as usual. So same screen. What we have here? Yes, Unsplash. We have here the link to Unsplash. We wanna share like this. Looks very beautiful. We need to what's going on. We need to run app. Application has restarted. Yes. Let's start from files. I have downloaded this file and yep, share extension. Our HPAC extension of the file we have downloaded, and here we have this file. About the link, we wanna share the link and how we can share it. Why don't I see this? I didn't see the text. Okay, if I will select some text, share. Oh, here it is. Interesting. Okay, but I guess you can find out why it's worked in this way. I think something should be checked here in main Android directory. Check intent filters, and that's all. Maybe for example I can also show you. We can change here share attachment widget from image.network to image.file file and how we can create more actions. file from .io, and path attachment dot path. Yes. Okay. And here we go. Let's find our file. Share with the share example, and yes, it's a big one, but you see that sharing is working. All works great. But the sharing links in Android, but maybe you should check it by your own. I will share this example app to my GitHub and will add link to this repository below the video. So if you are interested in next topics, feel free to subscribe, give me some likes probably, or maybe and we'll see you in the next video. In the end, there is 4 topics that could be discussed and created an example in next videos, so feel free to leave or not leave, just vote for one of them in comments for those topics which will have the most number of votes. I will create the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.